Hello everyone, welcome back to Fluctus channel. Sorry, I mean Sang General Military channel. Have you ever wondered what secrets lie behind the closed doors of the world's most advanced aircraft factories? Today, we are taking you on an unprecedented journey inside Russia's terrifying stealth fighter jet factory. This top-secret facility has sent shockwaves throughout the United States and its allies as they struggle to keep up with Russia's technological prowess. Within these walls, a team of brilliant engineers and technicians work tirelessly to bring Russia's cutting-edge stealth fighter jets to life. From sleek designs to state-of-the-art production lines, every detail is meticulously crafted to ensure these aircraft remain undetectable by radar. But it's not just the exterior that impresses. Inside the belly of these beast-like machines lies an arsenal of deadly weapons that can strike with pinpoint accuracy. Behind every powerful machine, there are skilled pilots. Russia's elite pilots undergo relentless training, preparing for any scenario that may arise in the skies. But it doesn't stop there. This factory is also home to advanced research and development programs, constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible. As these fighter jets take to the skies, they instill fear in the hearts of their adversaries, leaving them questioning their own defenses. So, there you have it. The untold secrets revealed inside Russia's terrifying stealth fighter jet factory. Well, if you have additional information or ideas for new videos, please write them down in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.